Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, reports that she said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Have you encountered a day harder than the day of Uhud?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I have got much pain from your people, and the severest day I experienced was the day of Aqaba, when I presented myself to Ibn Abd Yalil bin Abd Qolal, but he did not obey me as per my will. So I came back from Taif with the signs of anxiety right on myself. I felt my grief a bit assuaged when I raised Qarn Thalib. When I raised my head and looked upwards, I saw a patch of cloud overshadowing me. I sighted Gabriel alayhi salam in it. He called to me and said, 'Undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has heard the talk of your people and what they replied to you. So He Jalla Jalaluhu has sent the angel of the mountains to you. So you may command him against the infidels whatever you wish.' Then the angel of the mountains called upon me and saluted me. Thereafter he said, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it depends on your wish. If you wish so, I will lift the mountains, Akhsha, bayan, and place them on them.' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'No, I hope Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will bring forth from their lines the people who will worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu alone, associating no partner with Him.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3231.